Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Toyota Sequoia. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm and 12mm socket, a ratchet, and a breaker bar. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure your vehicle is securely lifted and supported on sturdy jack stands before you begin any work underneath. Disconnecting the negative battery cable is a crucial first step to prevent accidental electrical shorts. The starter motor on a Toyota Sequoia is usually found on the passenger side of the engine, often beneath the intake manifold or near the exhaust. You might need to remove a few components to gain clear access, such as a heat shield or a section of the exhaust pipe. Carefully unbolt these parts, keeping track of all fasteners. Sometimes, a little penetrating oil can help loosen any rusted or stubborn bolts, making your job much smoother. Once you have clear access, disconnect the main power cable from the starter, usually a large nut, and then the smaller solenoid wire. These are typically a 13mm and a 10mm nut, respectively. Next, you will need to remove the two large mounting bolts that hold the starter to the transmission bell housing. These are often 14mm or 17mm bolts. With the bolts out, carefully wiggle and pull the old starter free from its mounting point. Now, carefully slide the new starter into place, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting holes. Hand tighten the two mounting bolts, then torque them to about 29 foot-pounds. Reconnect the solenoid wire and the main power cable, tightening their nuts securely. Reinstall any exhaust components or heat shields you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the engine to confirm the new starter works, and then lower your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.